You can make this simple rich fish recipe today. The result is a beautifully thick aromatic stew with tender fish that soaks up every bit of flavor. And you know what? This method works really perfect with fresh fish like tilapia, croaker, mackerel, or snapper. Now this is how to make this. In this video, I'll be using mackerel. Now go ahead and cut your fish into 4 or 5 pieces. The sizes and the numbers will depend on the size of fish you're using. Once you're done cutting your fish, transfer the fish into the sink and pull out the intestines from each of the cuts. Basically, this is how you do it. Just run your hand through the holes of the fish and pull out the intestines and the rest of the dirt. For the head, you will need to remove the gills. After taking out all the intestines and the gills from the fish, gently rinse them under running water until they are clean and the water turns out really clean and clear. You can now place all the pieces in a bowl. It's now time to season these. All you just need for the seasoning is some black pepper, chicken bouillon powder, and salt. Just mix these properly just to make sure all the seasonings go into every corner of the fish. After that, add enough oil into your skillet. Wait for the oil to get hot. Once heated, add the seasoned fish into the hot oil and fry them for about 6 minutes. Meanwhile, you will need the following aromatic and spices as the base for this recipe. I have here some celery stalks, sweet paprika, red chili peppers, scallion, fresh ginger, and garlic. Add all of these aromatics to your blender and with a little bit of water, and then blend this into a smooth paste. At this point, the fish is properly fried on one side. You can go ahead and flip over to the other side and fry that for about 4 to 5 minutes. Once all the fish pieces are nicely golden, just like these ones, you can take them out of the oil and drain. The next step is to dice your fresh tomatoes into smaller pieces. Once you have done that, set it aside and then slice your onions thinly. Try to separate the onions into individual strands. You can then transfer the onions into the hot skillet. Saute these for about 3 minutes until the onions are soft and fragrant. Next, pour in the blended mixture and also add your diced tomatoes into the sauce. Stir fry the mixture until everything is nicely combined. Now this is gonna serve as your base for this fish recipe. So make sure this is properly stirred and is well fried. All you wanna do is to place the lid over and then bring this to a simmer for 10 minutes until most of the water has evaporated and then the oil flows to the top. Come back to the sauce, stir it properly. Now you can season the sauce with some ground cumin, black pepper, chicken bouillon powder, dried oregano, curry powder, and salt. Stir it properly to mix well. At this point, if the sauce is quite thick, you can add a little bit of water to help adjust the consistency. Stir this a little bit and then allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Now, return the fried fish into the sauce. Do not stir the fish aggressively to avoid them breaking apart. All you just want to do is to scoop the stew over the fish to prevent them from breaking into pieces. Once you're done stirring, place the lid over and then bring it to a simmer on low heat for 8 minutes. Now let's check on this again. Everything is nice and simmering. The flavor and the taste are really perfect. You can just add a little bit of chopped celery for freshness. Stir this around and it is ready. This simple fish recipe is perfect with boiled rice, plantain, or yam. It is truly delicious and filled with lots of yummy flavors. Obviously, no overcooking the fish, no fish breaking apart, and no raw tomato taste. You will definitely love this fish recipe once you give it a try. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Have a wonderful day and bye!